Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra mobile phone, and in this video I will show you 5 new tips and tricks. So guys, first tip is related to display options. So first of all, go into settings and then we will go into the display option, and then we will go into the motion smoothness. You can see over here, and then we have two options over here, adaptive and standard. So we will select the adaptive, then we apply it, and then we go back, and then we see an option over here which is screen resolution. So guys, we go into the screen resolution and you see there are three options. Now you can select the WQHD plus as well with the adaptive mode, and now I will apply it and you will see it will work. Okay, so now you can see here this WQHD plus is working very well with adaptive motion smoothness. But guys, if you want to save the battery life, you can have the same FHD plus mode if you want to save the battery. So now you have more options with screen resolution. So guys, the next thing is about new option under display, which is eye comfort shield. So I will go into the settings and then I will show you the option. First of all, you go into the display. You can see over here this display option, and then you see the option over here, it says eye comfort shield. So this enables you to read article or books. It is also easy for your eyes. You can see over here it changes the color of the phone and it is very comfortable for the eyes. Now inside the eye comfort shield there are two options, adaptive and custom. So you can select any of it. So if for example I select the custom, it gives me the option for color temperature. You can see over here, then you can change the color temperature according to your eyes. You can see over here, and if I make it full, you can see it changes the color, it changes the temperature color of the phone. You can also set the schedule. You can see over here sunset to sunrise, so you can also customize it. It's a really cool option. The next option that I will show you is about navigation bar. So first of all, we will go into the settings option, then we go into the display option, and inside display option you will see the option of navigation bar. So you will go into the navigation bar. You can see over here. So now there are two options. There is a button option and then there is a swipe gesture. So I select the swipe gestures, and inside swipe gesture there are two options. So you can see over here. So if for example I select this option for the swipe, you can see it take me to the recent apps. Okay, so I can select any app, and if I select the middle navigation bar, it will take me to the home screen, and the extreme right navigation bar is for going back. Then we have option of swipe from side and bottom as well. So it's up to you, whichever you like. I usually prefer the button option, and then you can also change the button orders as well. You can see there is a button order option. So if you want to select the change the position of recent or back, so you can also do it. The next option is about suggested apps. So you see I press the recent button, and you see on the downside there are suggested apps. So if you don't want to see the suggested apps, simply you select these three dots on the top right corner of the phone, and then you can see settings option, and then you can see here show recommended apps. So I will disable it, and then I will go back and I will show you. If I open the recent button, I press the recent button, you see there are no suggested or recommended apps. So this is really useful if you don't want to see those recommended apps at the bottom. But if you want to see them, simply go to the three dots, go to settings, and then you see show recommended apps, and then you can enable them. And then when you press recent recent button, and then you see over here these recent apps are now showing. So this is very useful if you want to hide them. So simply go into the settings and then just disable the show recommended apps option. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is configure home screen properties. So how you can configure the home screen properties? Simply go into the settings option, and then you will go into the home screen option. You can see over here home screen, and then you have to select the home screen grid option. There are two options, home screen grid and app screen grid. So first I will select the home screen grid, and then you have there multiple option. There is 4 by 5, 4 by 6, 5 by 5, and 5 by 6. So this will enables you the configuration of your home screen. It will help you to fit more application onto the screen. You can see over here there are different options that you can utilize. If you want to select the app grid, simply go home screen, and then you see app screen grid option. So it also give you 4 different options. So for example, you select 5 by 6, so it will enable you to have more apps into the screen. So it's up to like, just press the done button, and then you can see over here you have the more space over here to add more apps. So you can add more apps over here. So this is really useful. So guys, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.